Okay.
All right, you're
So
good to go.
I'm going to show this piece. Our temp co resistor.
Keep running your machine.
Thank you. And our match transistors. And then the transistors go actually in the same direction from one another, which is a little weird, but that's the way you did it.
Yep.
I can teach the kiddies that there's such a thing as a non-catastrophic design error. Okay. And then, yeah, this guy's got to go this way. It's like that. Okay. You want these in contact with the temp co. Ooh, good. Nope. To form good contact with the temp co. I did not like what I just did. Oh, shoot. Oh, never mind. I'm not real happy about that. Okay. I think I might have an opportunity to use the solder sucker. Because I'll show you what I did. See that the transistors are glooped together.
Yep.
That's not good. And I don't know if the best thing for me to do is to suck it or fart around with it and try and get it to not be joined. Ugh, that's a mess. There we go. Still pretty rough.
You can check it with the multimeter and make sure there's no continuity.
Well, I mean, I can see that there's continuity with my eye
Okay.
also.
Alright, let me know if you need a third hand to pull it out.
Nah, I don't, but I'm just hoping that... God damn it. These stupid fucking leads are so close together that it's hard.
If you want me to hold the thing or something.
Alright. Ah, man. No, it's not a matter of holding it. It's a matter of soldering together things that are like less than a millimeter apart without like blending them. That's the problem. Is that these things are extraordinarily close.
Yeah.
And it's just a tough job. Yeah, I mean, look at that. I fucked it up pretty good. I'm gonna cut these off and see if I can get them. Okay. Let me see if I can get them like this now. Okay, so solder sucking to avoid continuity between transistor wires. Okay, see if we accomplished our mission. Okay. Alrighty, so you can see there. I'm gonna test them. Okay. So do. Hey Eric, I'm gonna need some help. Shit. Mega ohm, and then this one. I don't know how to interpret the results of this.
Yeah.
So basically, with the transistors, I get like
Mega ohm, okay.
mega ohm there. Oh, shit, come on. So, mega ohm there,
Yeah.
right? Nothing there,
Yeah.
nothing there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then nothing there, nothing there. Mega ohm there.
Yeah.
Is that what I should get?
Yeah.
Okay.
That huge number of mega ohms is correct.
Okay, good. So that means that there's no aberrant continuity between
That's right,
them.
because it would be like a few ohms if it was actually.
And so I'm going to cut those suckers off now. Thank you for helping me. And then I've got these guys set to where they're basically touching the copper. And what I like to do is put an extra piece of copper over the top of them. Where's the copper foil? Cool.
That's what you want, right?
Yeah. Once I get it. And then you can't have the copper touching any of the leads, so I'm going to have a look at that and make sure we're good, which we are. Yeah. Or any of the... I'm just going to do that. Start this copper down here. Bring it over the top. Up. Start it here, over the top, and give them both a hug. And so now, this guy looks like this. And I'm gonna hug it and make doggone sure that the copper is not touching the leads, which it is not anywhere. We're good. Let's move on.